This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make smooth landing in infinite flight. Begin by choosing the runway, matching wind, and setting target approach speed. Configure flaps, gear, and autopilot modes to establish a stable descent profile. Use small trim adjustments to relieve stick pressure and maintain a consistent glide path. Anticipate drift with rudder or small bank corrections, and brief your landing sequence mentally to reduce surprises on final approach. Maintain stability on final approach by holding a steady attitude and power setting, avoiding abrupt control movements. Use glide slope indicators like PAPI or VASI and visual cues to keep a constant descent angle. Reduce speed gently to your target landing speed while ensuring flaps and gear are set and confirmed. Keep tiny, deliberate corrections to centerline and trim as needed to stay hands-off and smooth through the last mile of the approach. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a fun addition to your flight setup, adding ambient cockpit sounds and convenient voice controls. It pairs nicely with flight sim sessions for atmosphere. I mention it because a little background sound can make practice more immersive. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start your flare just above the runway height appropriate for your aircraft, using a gentle, smooth pitch increase to arrest descent. Resist the urge to push or yank the controls. Instead, hold back pressure and allow the main gear to touch down softly. Once wheels are on, add reverse thrust or spoilers if available, and use progressive braking to bleed speed while keeping the aircraft aligned with small rudder or pedal corrections for a clean rollout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.